Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will briefly guide you through my professional learning and teaching portfolio, and I will share my vision on integration of technology into teaching for the primary and junior division. As an educator in Ontario, Canada, I want to embrace the realms of possibilities that technology opens up for students, essentially for three reasons. I use devices which pupils are familiar with, educational tools that are relevant for them. I provide my students with opportunities to develop 21st century competencies such as critical thinking, communication, collaboration, creativity, and innovation, preparing them for success not only in school but also in the broader society. And finally, I help students face some of the challenges related with new media that they may experience inside or outside the classroom, such as reliability of the information, privacy issues, and cyberbullying. Using technology in the classroom means extending students' learning experiences and giving them tools to express themselves in multimodal way through words, visuals, music, videos, etc., etc. An effective approach to do so is using Technological, Pedagogical, and Content Knowledge Framework, or TPAC, which helps the educator to plan a lesson starting with pedagogy and content before layering in the use of any technology, considering its affordances and limitations. Another important approach is the adoption of the Substitution, Augmentation, Modification, and Redefinition model, or SAMR, which helps educators plan how to use a device or software to redesign a task significantly and provide opportunities for the creation of new tasks through technology. This process may modify and redefine the learning experience, extending a traditional lesson by, for example, using multimedia content, blogging with peers in a different country to find new resources, or using Skype to interview experts, and finally share online the knowledge with a bigger audience beyond the traditional classroom. As an educator, I want to create a learning environment that is safe, nurturing, and positive. In order to do that, I believe it's important to follow the principles of Universal Design for Learning, or UDL, using user-friendly language, arranging information sequentially, breaking instructions down into small steps, and providing descriptive feedback during the learning. Technology may be used to create digital stories that deal with challenging topics such as discrimination and the LGBTQ community, as in the case of Pop and Ollie. I appreciate the fact that this online resource promotes inclusivity, equity, and tolerance. These digital stories are presented in a compelling and emotional, engaging format, which may make the viewer feel more accepting and tolerant towards differences. My pedagogy will be responsive to the emotional, psychological, cultural, linguistic, and academic needs for my students. Finally, technology can also be fun and hands-on, as in the case of the Ozobot we used at OISE. These makerspaces have sensors that read lines, colors, and code sequences that one can draw with markers on paper, and they move accordingly. This technology makes computer coding fun and entertaining, and I really suggest trying it. Children may love these products and further develop their interest for math, technology, and science. Robotics is an area of growing interest among students. Through robotics, children may master coding, critical thinking, and team building. In conclusion, the use of technology helps us redefine the teaching learning experience in the classroom, ultimately extending students' learning opportunities and increasing engagement, attention, and participation. In this process, it's crucial to make evident and explicit connections among technology, content, and pedagogy, showing the direction education is taking in the 21st century. Thank you for watching.